Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA for like 2 whole weeks, but I promise y'all I'm back and I'm going to be consistent. I promise. It's just been hard thinking of new content for y'all, honestly, but I have some new ideas. I'm gonna start, dyeing wigs and all of that when my mannequin head come in, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you want to see how I achieve this look, it's like a little dewy summertime look, perfect for the summer. Obviously I threw on this little wet and wavy wig because that's the poppin' hair to wear in the summertime. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn on that notification bell. You can't miss it. It's literally right there, so make sure you click it. I promise you, this channel gonna be up and running. Like, I'm gonna keep on posting like consistently. It's just gonna be more and more videos. If not 2 times a week, it's gonna be like every week. So make sure you definitely keep watching and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
I'm so into you, I can barely breathe. And all I wanna do is to fall in deep. But close ain't close enough till we cross that line. So name a game to play and we'll roll the dice. Hey. Oh baby, look what you're starting. The temperature's rising and here's this gonna happen. Been waiting for you to make a move. Before I make a move. So baby, come light me up, and baby I'll let you on it a little bit deeper.